Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VRUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I'm going to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today. I mean, when you consider that for the most part of the day, the price was down here around this area of the chart, and then all of a sudden the price closed up there. Any rational person would say, yeah, the price has definitely made a very nice move, but that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And that question revolves around this level down here at, let's see, what is that? 0.022. Why is 0.022 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 0.022. If the price were to come down in that area, and again, I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to come down there and then just continue on down, what would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would have the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price did something like this, where it went down here, however, in this situation, behaved like that, and then began to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, the quote-unquote progress point being defined as 0.022. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward. It's all about that pink line up there, the 200 period moving average. And you can see that's right where the price was rejected from today. So that'll be the key battleground going forward. But really, in my opinion at least, top priority right now is not necessarily breaking more levels of resistance. It's more so about just starting to go through healthy consolidations and chip away with higher bases. So overall, great movement today. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.